Hey, cool quacks and chicken lovers, what's quack-a-lackin'? Oh my. We're just out here. We're gonna go give the birds some squash. Yeah. This is like leftover squash from yesterday. Supper. Butternut. Who wants some butternut squash? And I think they thought butternut squash meant let's all go in the coop. We haven't yet checked for goose eggs yet today, so let's see what we can find. And there's no goose eggs today. The Muscovies are so funny how they sit up here. They're the only ducks that actually roost. Well, because they're not actually ducks. Muscovies are actually South American waterfowl. This is our girl, Rose. Hi, Rose. You guys really need to start laying some eggs. We want baby gooses. We want baby gooses, Zorro. You tell him, Grub. Hi, facelift. How are you today, sweetheart? She's so cute, isn't she? And then over here we have Botox and Moscato. Hi, guys! And then the boba. And bird cracker. And grublets. Hi, Grubby! Hi, Grub! We're all getting tired of the cold. The Sebastopols over here just laying in the snow. Oh, hi everyone! So let's see if I can actually get them to come over here. Come on, guys! You are the roosters. Hey guys! This is Tiggy and Echo. This one right here is Echo, and then the guy in the back is Tiggy. And Grub, of course. Nobody else really seems like they're into the squash quite yet today. It's pretty cold, though.
What? You don't want to be outside, little man? What? What? Sit. Homer. Paw. Good boy. Homer. Lie down. Good boy. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Oh! What guys? What guys? What guys? Hey, Homer. Hey, Homer. Badger girl. Badger girl. What are you looking for? Badger girl. Come here, Badger.
Homer has to wait for his supper. Of course, now he's done.
Calm it down with the attitude, please.
He's like shaking. Oh man, it's all good.
Daphne, go back to your own bowl, please.
when Homer's the biggest fan of our YouTube channel.
Dolly! Come here, Dolly! Where's the ball? Dolly, get the ball! Get him, Dolly! Get him, Dolly! Oh, Homer. Homer. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? It has not stopped snowing. It just keeps coming. It just keeps coming and coming and coming. Like, this is insane.
The snow is so deep that she's fallen into it. Crazy little thing. It's one of those snowy mornings. Little man's is out. Look at him sitting up like this. Oh yeah, don't mind his little parts. He's like, what's up, guys? The cord on my coffee maker, for some reason, is frayed. Thanks, mouse. So I have to use this old pour-over method for making my morning coffee. The struggles.
Hello, everyone. It is another cold morning on the homestead. And I just finished taking care of the quail over there. I am essentially about to hop in on our little creation and say hi to all the little ones and the peacocks and see how they're doing. So let's go. I was trying to record, but then my phone died. So that happened. So I ran back inside, finished what I had to do with them over there. And I let all the birds out. So let's say hi to them. Hey, guys. It's only the ducks and geese that are out this morning. Hey. Get out. Out the water. Come on. Let everyone else drink some. Come on. Out. This is what we have to use for their waters on cold days. What are you guys looking at? Is something in the sky? Is something flying? Guys, I don't see nothing. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Why are you wanting to be in the water and wet right now? I have no idea. This is the pile of ice that came out of that this morning. Like, I think it's -10, -12 Celsius right now. Oh, is your foot stuck, little miss? Everyone's having a little snow day today, enjoying themselves. Not really everyone, just really the ducks and geese. There's a few chickens there, you see, like right there, little man is. It's very interesting seeing the geese clean themselves. It's very unique. Like, look at the movements of their beak. They're individually like picking feathers and fluffing them up. It's the coolest thing. And then they tuck their feet underneath their wings to keep them warm. Very unique. Like, look. Very cool. We think the birds should be put away. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Yeah, are you guys the only ones outside? You want to go inside? Oh, what you guys doing over here? What's up? Another thing I have to do while out here is just like check on the peacocks and their, like, make sure they have enough water, make sure they have enough food still, you know. It's cold. We don't really want to come back out here, back and forth. It's like really cold. It is actually significantly warmer in here. But look at the little guys. They're doing so well. We love them so much. And yeah, just like that, peacocks are done. And other random chickens, whatever they are. Holy cow, it's like really cold. Like, whew. It's a good idea we decided to put them away. So I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Bye! Don't die in the cold. Oh, it's so cold.